Ryobi has come out with a brand new super powerful backpack blower. Really nice breathability on the back of it. And a couple different things about this, It has a speed tip mechanically fastened, and the chute is adjustable. Comes in pieces, to be expected. You can't have a box that big. Now, you saw me throw in 2 batteries at the front of this video. Well, they're 8 amp hour 40 volt batteries, and you can see them displayed right here, so you can see the battery level as you're blowing. You can also choose between max power and then max runtime. Now, if you choose max power, you're going to get 850 CFM with 180 miles an hour. Now, if you choose max runtime, you're going to get 2 hours of runtime. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Pretty good. Now, as you can see from all of this footage, this thing is absolutely incredible. That's because it is the equivalent to a 58cc gasoline backpack blower. That's pretty good. We're always getting better. Just look at me clear these leaves like they're absolutely nothing, because to this blower, they're absolutely nothing. Now, there's so much about this thing that is really cool, but it's also interesting because that's basically a handheld blower, and you just have the batteries hanging off your back. It has a little bar that holds it there, and has a little flex chute, and that's kind of cool. But all in all, to maintain the power and I guess the runtime and everything else, you need to put it on your back. Now, the handle is adjustable. I found this out because my hand started hurting, and then I found out, well, Ryobi thought of that too, and it is adjustable. You can see me just blast these leaves. Now, there is a noticeable difference between the 730 CFM blower and this blower. A noticeable difference, actually, and it's actually pretty pleasant because this does everything that you would like it to do. And not only did I want to clear the leaves, I wanted to blow it through the little bushes that were on the perimeter area too. And I just felt like this was such a really good powerhouse that I just kept blowing them down into the bog, and it worked out really well. Now, the price. We got to talk about the price. It's not cheap. If you get it with the 2 8 amp hour 40 volt batteries and the charger and the blower, it's going to cost you $600. Yeah, you heard me right. $600. But is the performance worth it? I'm not sure. I think it is. I like it, but I'm also heavily invested in Ryobi. So you're going to have to do your own analysis. You're going to have to do your own investigations. But this is heavy leaves right here, and I am able just to destroy these leaves. I'm kind of like the leaf annihilator at this point. Can you believe? Wait, did you see that? Can you believe? Oh, yeah. I'm a father of 8. I can do that. It's fine. Anyways, but if you take a look at this, all the really good things about it, ergonomically, powerhouse-wise, runtime, it really does work. Now, the big question is, if you set it on max power, how long will it actually work? I got just about an hour. Just about an hour is what I felt out of this. Maybe a little bit less, which is to be expected with that much power coming out. But as you can see, I'm actually blowing the leaves through a fence. Pretty happy about that. Now, right through here, this is funny. I actually came upon a snake, and when I came upon a snake, you're actually going to see me in just a second. And I'm going to be blowing this snake right here. Boom, I hit the snake. I blew it, and I was like, ooh, let's keep flying. So I sent the snake for the ride of its life right through there. Blew it back into the wood pile, just kept going, and it picked that snake up and it threw it. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Please subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. What a blast these video tour reviews are. Take care.